Are you drowning in paper receipts? Ever rummage through a drawer overflowing with crumpled receipts, desperately searching for that one specific piece of paper? We've all been there. In today's digital age, clinging to physical receipts feels increasingly outdated. What if there was a way to ditch the paper trail for good, a way to keep your receipts organized and readily accessible? Enter Wave, a free online accounting software designed specifically for small businesses and freelancers. But is Wave's magic touch free when it comes to managing receipts? Let's dive in and find out. The power of paperless receipts. Think about it. Paper receipts are easily misplaced, fade over time, and contribute to clutter. They're not exactly eco-friendly either. With Wave, you can upload digital copies of your receipts directly into the app. This not only keeps everything organized, but also allows you to easily categorize and track your expenses. Imagine snapping a picture of your grocery receipt with your phone and having it automatically stored and categorized within Wave. No more scrambling through a mountain of paper come tax season. Free receipt bliss, what Wave offers. The good news? Uploading and storing receipts with Wave is absolutely free. There's no limit to the number of receipts you can store, and Wave even offers basic features like income and expense tracking, invoicing, and bill payments, all at no cost. Here's a quick breakdown of Wave's free receipt management features. Unlimited receipt storage. Wave gives you a digital filing cabinet for all your receipts. Mobile app convenience. Snap a picture of your receipt on the go and upload it directly to the Wave app. Automatic organization. Wave can automatically categorize your receipts based on keywords it identifies, saving you time and effort. Easy search functionality. Need to find a specific receipt? Wave's search function allows you to quickly locate it by keyword, date, or vendor. Exploring Wave's paid options. While the core receipt management features are free, Wave does offer paid plans with additional functionalities. These plans cater to businesses with more complex accounting needs. Here's a quick glimpse into what the paid plans offer. Advanced features. Paid plans unlock features like custom reports, double entry accounting, and integrations with third-party apps. Payment processing. Accept online payments directly through Wave for a fee. Payroll services. Manage payroll for your employees with a paid Wave plan. Is Wave right for you? If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or simply someone who wants to ditch the paper trail, Wave's free receipt management features are a lifesaver. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to stay organized and keep track of your finances with ease. However, if you have a large, complex business with extensive accounting needs, you might find Wave's free features limiting. In that case, exploring the paid plans or considering more robust accounting software solutions might be necessary. Wave's free receipt management is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to simplify their finances and go paperless. It's easy to use, offers unlimited storage, and integrates seamlessly with the mobile app. So ditch the paper clutter and embrace the digital age with Wave's free receipt management features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.